You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know a lot of people are getting confused by it, so let's break down the pronunciation. If you want to learn more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Provocative. Let's break it down. Provocative. Stress on that second syllable, okay? So it's not provocative, it's provocative. Provocative. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Provocative. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.